Oh, I don't know why the remote control is not working. Why is it doing it? Why isn't it doing it? Press the buttons on the remote control and the telly station doesn't change the channel at all. It's annoying, I don't know. Is there batteries in the remote control? Maybe there is, but the batteries don't work. I don't know. Tell me why the remote control, it doesn't work. Jesus Christ, my thumb's starting to hurt. Remote controller is its full name. No one calls it that anymore. And that's very crazy. What am I gonna do? An Isolayshed with Hugh. Good to batches for the remote controller. You sitting on the remote control, sitting on your hole. Check it properly. Get up. Is it underneath you? That's not the right remote control. That's the wrong one. That's just for the telly. It's not for the skybox, you bastard. That's what. Oh yeah, that's it. There's the remote. I found your remote controller. I found a remote controller. Losing control, losing remote control. Losing control, losing remote control.